and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. Are you tired of swiping right, hoping to find love? Do you want to attract something more meaningful into your life to truly experience the love and romance you desire? In this video, we'll show you how to manifest love and romance using the law of attraction. First, let's talk about what the law of attraction is. The law of attraction is a belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. In other words, what you think about, you bring about. When manifesting love and romance, it's essential to focus on the feeling of being loved and cared for, rather than the energy of lacking love. This is because what you focus on, you bring about. If you focus on the feeling of lacking love, you'll only amplify that in your life. An example of how to shift your mindset to manifest love and romance using the law of attraction is to focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want. For example, instead of saying that it's hard to find love, change your mindset to believe that you are worthy of a relationship full of love and romance. This shift in perspective will help to focus your thoughts and energy on what you want to manifest and attract experiences that align with that positive mindset. One way to do this is to affirm to yourself daily that you are an incredible person that is easily lovable. Affirmations are positive statements you repeat to yourself regularly to change your mindset and manifest your desires. When you repeat affirmations, your mind begins to believe them, and you start to attract experiences that align with those affirmations. An example of an affirmation you could repeat to yourself is, I release any past hurt and open myself to new love and romance. Feel free to share ideas for other affirmations in the comments. But remember, it's important to say these affirmations with conviction and feeling, as if they are already true. Another way to manifest love and romance is to feel what you would feel if your partner did something romantic for you. For example, imagine your partner buying you flowers or taking you on a romantic date. As you imagine these things, resonate in the feelings of love and appreciation that come with them. Keep in mind that everything emits a vibrational frequency, even our thoughts. It's important to understand that like attracts like. So if you want to attract love and romance into your life, you must emit high vibrational energy of love and positivity. To keep your vibrational energy high, it's important to practice self-care. This includes taking care of your body by eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep. It also includes taking care of your emotional and mental well-being by doing things you enjoy and making time for activities that make you happy. When you take care of yourself, you are better able to radiate positive energy and attract experiences that align with that energy. Additionally, when you show up as the best version of yourself, you become a better match for someone who also radiates positive energy. This is because like attracts like. So by keeping your vibrational energy high, you become a magnet for positive experiences and relationships. You can also practice this by buying yourself flowers and taking yourself on dates. Imagine your partner is there with you and believe that you are just filling their spot till they find you in the world. By focusing on the feeling of being loved and cared for, affirming to yourself daily that you are lovable, feeling what you would feel if your partner did something romantic for you, and understanding the concept of vibrational energy, you can manifest love and romance into your life using the law of attraction. Remember to be patient and keep your thoughts positive. Check back in with us after implementing these practices. We would love to hear your results in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.